Hi, I wanted to give a video testimonial on behalf of Lauren's 12-week program. I joined the Free Mama movement about 3 months ago and just finished today. And I can say without hesitation that my life has been changed for the better as a result of this program. Being a stay-at-home mom who kind of felt trapped that being a mom was going to be my destiny forever. Lauren opened up my eyes to a whole new world of possibilities in terms of what is out there for freelancers. I never in a million years would have known anything about what opportunities were available to me. And instantly, when I started the program and started going through the modules and watching the videos, you could sense Lauren's authenticity. You could tell that she had been where we were. She'd been in our shoes before, and you could tell that she had a genuine interest in trying to help guide us through the stages into this freelancing world. As a result of the program, I am now in a position where I have a client. I'm working on a couple more clients, and I'm able to contribute a little bit to my family, which is so important to me. I gave up my career to raise my kids, and I kind of felt like that was going to be it for, the rest of my time, was that I was just going to be a mom, and it was going to be my husband's job to provide financially, and that was hard, losing that sense of identity of being able to produce and work and have a career. And thanks to Lauren's program, I have been able to have really the best of both worlds. She has allowed me to see that I can still be there every single day for my kids whenever they need me, and be able to contribute financially as well. And that is a gift that I am beyond grateful for, that I never would have known existed if it hadn't been for Lauren's program. So if you are on the fence at all about whether this program is worth it, think no more. It absolutely is. It has changed my life. It has given me confidence that I had lost once leaving my career. I now feel like I am able to be a better person overall. I have more confidence in my career, and I feel like my ability to contribute gives me more worth. And that translates over to me feeling like I can be a better mom for my kids. So thank you, Lauren, for all that you have done for the moms, for your authenticity, for the time away from your own family to build this program, because if it wasn't for you, I never would have known this world existed, and I'm beyond grateful for that. So thank you so very much.